It's Tanya. I'm talking with Tanya. Tanya J. Miller, LLC. We do life and leadership unapologetically on purpose. Y'all know why we do it because we're trying to help you figure out how to fit the puzzle pieces of life together like every day. Every day. We're trying to help y'all figure this thing out. And because we're trying to do that, we want to make sure you guys do life right and well. So we've been talking. We've been talking about Being Fly, the Be Fly YouTube series that coincides with our course over at bit.ly, Be Fly Guide, bit.ly, Be Fly Guide. And so we were talking to you guys. Be Fly means that you're fulfilling life yearning to be great and to be you. And so today we just want to ask you, what do you yearn for? What do you want out of this thing called life? If you go to bed and you don't wake up tomorrow, what will it have been that you yearn for? What would it have been that you were like, God, I'm so glad I got to do that because it was so amazing. Like, go back to that. Sometimes it might have to be you go back to your childhood and you got to ask that hard question. What did I want to be when I grew up? Like, I think I forgot. I started doing and being what everybody else wanted, and I forgot what it was that I wanted to do and what I wanted to be. So yeah, sometimes you got to go back. Sometimes you got to remember what you wrote. Understand, it's amazing when you journal. It's amazing when you do a vision board. You know why? Because both of those are physical evidence, documentation, and examples of what you said, what you saw, what you believed back then that you can go back and rehearse it. Come on, Confessions is the same way. So whatever it is that you got to do to remember it, to know what you yearn for, do it. Figure it out because what you yearn for is what you are the best at. What gives you the most fulfillment, what helps you to enjoy this thing called life. So yeah, if you got to, go back. If you don't got to go back, start writing it down. Start doing a little more, a vision board, what they call it, a collage. That's it. I'm thinking about a collage. Anywho, a collage, whatever it's a journal, a notebook, a list. I don't care. But do what you got to do to figure out what you yearn for in this life so you can get it. So you can get it. You got to be fly. Yes, that's right. You got to be fly. So we will continue in this Be Fly YouTube series that coincides with our course at bit.ly, Be Fly Guide. Bit.ly, Be Fly Guide. And if I have not said it already, make sure you subscribe into YouTube so you can catch these Talk with Tay Tuesdays and these Talk with Tay Take Two Thursdays because we're doing it. Peace out. We will be back.